You won't believe this, but now you can convert any image into a 3D model in a few seconds using AI. And the fun part about it is that it is completely free for you to use. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it and use it into your projects. So without any further ado, subscribe to this channel and let's just start with it. As you can see on my screen, it works in three simple steps. You choose an image, you select the object, and you convert that into a 3D model. Yes, it is that simple. So let's just test it. Simply click on this upload and I'm just going to upload this image here. This is an image of a Taj Mahal. It will upload it here and just see how fast it happens. So here when the image is uploaded, simply click on this object that you want to select and convert into 3D model. You can select as precise as possible so it is getting the perfect model of it. It depends on your selection. So you can select the pointers, you can add pointers in here, and once you feel that okay, your model is completely selected, your image is completely selected, you can click on this generate button here. If you feel that okay, something needs to be removed, you can simply click on this remove button and remove the pointers from bad selections. I feel that okay, this selection is okay for me, so I'm just simply gonna hit generate button here and it's gonna generate the 3D model. 1 2 3. See how fast this happened. 3 seconds and we got this 3D model ready here. And if you see, it's like almost there. It's 80% of the work is done now. Now if you are into 3D industry, you already know how hard it is to create this type of 3D models from scratch. It will take you hours of work to do this, but now by using models like this you can create instantly. Now you are having the base layer ready. Now all you need to do is just fine tune this and make into the perfect model that you want. You can download this model using this download option here. You can use it in PLY or GLB format and you will have your object ready. You can also do some cool effects in here. So simply go to effects tab and this is where you can add some background here and put this model into actual background and see how that looks. If you feel like okay, this is working, this is good for me, then you can even share this with people by using a video format of it. So it will export this into a video format which you can share later on your socials or with people. So while this export is in progress, let me tell you more about this model. The platform I'm using is SAM 3D. It's from Meta and they have made it open source and available to everyone. If you want to run it locally, you can simply click on this button and it will load up the code. You can download it and play locally onto your system. Or if you want to just play onto their platform, you can use this playground here where you can test it. This is what you will see when you click on that button and simply go to playground option, and you can see a lot of options here. You can create 3D scenes, 3D bodies, isolate sounds, and a lot more other stuff. If you want to create 3D objects, you can simply click on this 3D scenes button, and this is what you got. Now you can upload it here and follow the process as I shown you earlier. Let me know what do you think about this in the comments, and if this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment onto this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will catch you up in the next one. See ya.